Hey, how's it going, everyone? Just wanted to leave a quick video in regards to a special announcement that we have. We're officially integrated with Tekmetric. So here in this video, I wanted to show you how to find us within the integration section of your Tekmetric dashboard. So when you're logged into Tekmetric, you're going to scroll down on the left-hand side, go to your shop settings, and then from there, usually automatically pop up as for your shop profile tab. You're going to want to click on the integrations tab here in the top section. So once there, you'll be able to see all the different awesome integration partners that Tekmetric has. And officially, we are on there as a couple weeks ago. And so we're really excited again about this integration and being able to offer this to some of our shops that are currently already on Tekmetric. It will create instant access in terms of any ROs that are created. It pulls over automatically to our CRM, makes texting a lot easier for us on our side. But if you do not have us currently, feel free to click on learn more, give me a call here, or a member of our team will be able to help you right away and answer some of the questions that maybe you have about us. But again, thank you Tekmetric for this awesome opportunity that we have to integrate with you, and I'm looking forward to talking with you guys all soon.